Spring is here, and with the economic indicators that the economy has massively slowed down, I'd suggest it's a great time for a spring clean within your business. With productivity being one of the biggest drags on the economy in recent years, I'd suggest that decluttering or removing those things that are getting in the way of efficiency is a great place to start your spring clean. And to do that, I always start by looking at the 7 wastes from the Toyota lean manufacturing model. Now, despite this model being focused on a manufacturing environment, it is just as relevant for any other industry and any other business. Now, of course, the 7 wastes are overproduction, waiting, transporting, inappropriate processing, unnecessary inventory, unnecessary motions, and defects. Now, when we talk about waste, what we focus on is something that is not delivering value. So get your business so that it's not tolerating waste. Find those opportunities to improve the efficiency by moving the inefficient processes or the roadblocks to success. One area of waste I see business owners focusing on with great effect is by doing a client cull. Review your clients, review those clients that maybe are causing the biggest headaches around the place, or maybe aren't contributing much by way of profit. The key word there is profit. What is their profit contribution, not just their income contribution? Now, I often use a tool called raising the bar of average to review your client base and identify those that are performing or contributing below the average, and then thinking about whether we need to cull those clients or review our terms and update our arrangements with those clients. Often I see businesses continuing to execute marketing activities that are just no longer effective. Maybe they were put in place many years ago. Maybe they haven't evolved with the business and the vision or the strategy that the business has today, or maybe they are no longer applicable to the market as it sits today. A great way to refresh and refocus your marketing activities is to do a deep dive into what's working and what's not working. Then, of course, you can put an actual strategy in place that is relevant for today. Of course, another option is that people forget to evolve their brand or refresh their brand as the market changes and maybe even the target audience has changed. A classic tool to find the inefficiency within your processes is, of course, process mapping. Grab a big whiteboard, get a roll of butcher's paper, and get your team to draw a picture of a process. Stand back, have a look, you'll see the bottlenecks. They'll jump out at you. Do something about those bottlenecks and we'll improve that efficiency and get this business humming. A great application of process mapping is reviewing teams' roles and responsibilities. Where have we got double up? Who is no longer the right person to be doing that particular task? Another great thing to do during your spring clean is to catch up on your paperwork, whether it's be getting your tax returns up to date, or often there's some legal documents that you've been putting off. Maybe you need to do your shareholders agreement. Maybe you need to update your terms and conditions with your clients, or maybe it's your employment contracts. They are all things that if you get in place will save you a mozza in the long term. Check out below some of the additional resources to help with your spring clean, or of course go to our website at businessdepot.com.au. If we can help, we'd love to hear from you, so please don't hesitate to reach out.